Corsi spreading wide, Corsi loses it, boom, there you go.
That could have been a lot worse.
Absolutely, not nice for Corsi's neck.
Alex DeAngelis and Xavier Simeon. Simeon falls, and then watch the bike here, Daryl Beattie.
It sits on the crankcase there and just rides itself right. You got to remember these bikes doing
unfortunate mishap, which scared a lot of people here.
This is horrific, and you see behind the bike there, his neck actually gets bent right around onto his chest. You see he's had a moment early. He's off the side of the bike here. He goes to the wall. He bails out because he knows it's going to be bad. And look at his head there.
And this is Yuki Takahashi. What a day.
Disappointing for him.
Oh! This was the... Oh, dear. Oh, my God. Wow.
Oh, I have a hunch it might be. Yes, it is. No.
My goodness me. That was Marco Melandri and Arbe.
Yeah, Arbe had the bigger of the sons.
Up now to 8th place, isn't it?
Oh, and that's Simon gone down. Sofrogen gone down. All in. I think this was the move, right? Was it to 11? It was turn 11. Wow. Wow. Oh, and the bike. Oh, that is a horrific
Crash here. Ricky Carduce in an altercation with Takaki Nakagami. Carduce unhurt in this incident, unbelievably. And just some minor damage.
Right, Warwick is down. Oh, and let's hope he's okay as our coverage of...
But the heartbeat is now, and he's got through in a second. Oh, Marcus has stayed on.
He saved that one unbelievably on his knee. Whoa! And he tried to hold. Oh, and there's a bike in the middle. That looks like pop-off. Yeah, the bike in the middle of the track on the stopped at all. Let's have a look. Whoa! Just caught the rear of Alexei Mazbu. Well,
And lows, so it's going to be quite a high-speed crash. Oh, Samuels, that is coming out of turn 9, they got there.
I'm pretty certain. Oh, he's one near to close in. Oh, Mears down! Oh, and so is Michael Train. They're all down.
Oil down.
Something must be down on circuit. What's going on here? Absolute carnage. Absolute carnage here. Down at turn number 6, and red flags will be out.
That horse is going to have a right old whack on his head.
Sparks are flying underneath Suzuki's bike there. Look, the engine casing is getting a pasting. And blimey, teleports us.
Nossa,
opa,
mas rapaz, foi atropelado. Olha que sério, foi atropelado. Mais um acidente.
Schwantz is the way through turn 1. He thought about it, didn't he? Oh, and he catches Schwantz, and down go the two leaders. Kevin Schwantz and Lawson down as well. Oh, that's nasty for Schwantz. And down goes Lawson. He clips as well the bike of Schwantz, and he's into the ditch. There goes on.
No, that was huge. Absolutely massive. To ride a preference, maybe even more.
Wow, Melandri's down. How many times we've seen that, and you'll not be auctioning those leathers off, my son.
In front of American Bicycle
And a
champion.
huge moment on. Down goes Takahashi. It was Nucci who tried to hang on, but Takahashi's been brought down. Races coming the next 6 weeks. Big high side. He almost had got to it. Look at that. Smith on the inside. Takahashi couldn't avoid him. Bautista didn't get away well. Down he goes, and he is collected the championship leader. We talked about the possibility of a crash for the second race in succession.
Out of grid 23 or worse, but massive accident here. This is Randy Krumenacker, and one of a couple of falls we saw.
Upgrades that we've had some.
Big one for Melandri.
That is, and that's the black stealth machine looking very.
And corner runs it too wide in there. Oh dear, this is when it's bad. That corner hits the gravel.
Honda, has he hit a drain or something here? He's not been able to pull the bike up. It's so wet.
Oh,
It's going to be interesting. And here comes Marcus. Oh, and he's taking down Scott Redding as well.
Well, that is-
Scott Redding's down. Oh, Marcus, the third.
let's have a look through turn 13. Wow, that is a huge high side.
And Loris was one of many riders to crash. It started with Sylvain Ginsley approaching the Haitian. Look at him riding on the top of the motorcycle here.
Got stuck on top of the bike. It's quite dangerous. It's actually a pretty high speed area there through that part of the track, and for him, it's disappointing. This is unusual. Caparossi going down on the right hand side of the tyre. Keep in mind,
Some of the riders are questioning, is it a Bridgestone related issue here? Tony Elias, teammate, and this is approaching MG corner, just over the Haitian, then Marco Melandri in exactly the same spot. His teammate Casey Stoner, watch this.
Stoner goes down in the same place as Melandri.